How to make TikTok video with gallery photos and images. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make a TikTok video with your photos and images. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, open up your TikTok. After you open it up, you will need to create a post. To do that, tap on the plus icon on the middle. After you tap on it, you'll simply need to tap on the photos that is right here, right on the right hand side. So after you tap on it, you will get the list of your photos. Now what you'll need to do is simply select your photos. So I'll just select 3 and then tap on next. After you do that, you can add sound if you want to. And after you do that, you can edit too. You can see a lot of edit options here. And after you're done with that, tap on next. And then you can add a description or a caption, add hashtags, links, and see who can view this post, and many more. After you do that, you can tap on post to post the TikTok. So yeah, that is how you create a TikTok video with gallery photos and images, and that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.